Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pidgeotto. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the beak. Let's start with a curved line down here. Then from the bottom, let's curve it down towards the left. And then close off the side with a bent line. Next, underneath, let's draw a curve down. And then bring it over under the beak. Next, let's draw the feathers on top of the head. On the top right of the beak here, let's draw an angled line up. And then let's curve it over towards the right. Now to the left, let's draw another angle here. And then we're going to continue to draw angled lines over the top of the other line. Now from the top point of the beak, let's draw two angled lines up like this. And then we're going to draw a V shape up towards the right side. Next, in the gap between these two feathers, let's draw an angle here, another angle up, another one towards the right, and then a curve back down to close off this part. Next, let's add one more pointed line in the gap above here. Next, on the left side, let's draw an angle out, then bring it up, and then angle it over towards the right, and then continue this line on the other side here. That's it for the head feathers for now. We'll finish off the end once we draw the wing. Next, let's draw the back side of the head. Under the feathers here, let's draw an angle down and then curve it downwards like this. Let's stop the line here, about the same level as the bottom of the beak. Next, let's hop over and draw the left side of the body. Start under the beak and we're going to angle it down and then curve it out and back in, stopping about here. Let's draw the eye next. Let's hop back up and to the right of the beak, let's draw a curve. And then angle it up. And then one more curve for the right side. Next, inside, let's draw another curve on the right. And then we're going to color this small section in black. Next, inside towards the right, let's draw a curve for the eye. And then a small curve inside here. And then color the eye in black. Next, let's draw the pattern on the face. To the right of the eye, let's draw a curved line down. And then from the end, let's curve it down towards the left. And then one more curve into the left side of the body. Let's move back next to the eye and draw one more angle down here. And then a curved line down. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the right wing next. Let's start inside the body here and we're going to draw a curve up to our headline and then dip it down and back up like this. Next, let's finish off the head feathers. Let's draw two curves down to the wing like this. And then add one more curved line inside. Now inside the body, let's add one more curve here. Next, let's hop back up to the top wing line and draw a curve over to the right, and then bring it back in. Now from the top right of the wing, let's draw a curve down. And then let's follow that same wing curve all the way back down. And then curve it over to the left side of the body. Let's draw the feathers on the wing now. In the center of the wing, let's start at the top and then we're going to draw a curve like this. Now let's continue to draw the feathers going down, getting smaller as we go. Once you hit the 5th feather, you should hit around the beak level. And then let's add 4 more smaller ones. Next, let's do the same thing on the outside. Next, let's draw the left wing. Let's start on the top left and draw a curve up. And now let's angle it out towards the left a little bit more. Now from the top, let's bring it back down with 2 curves like this. Let's start with the inside feathers now. Let's draw a curve here. And then 2 more, ending about right next to the head feathers. Next, let's draw the rest of the feathers with more of a rectangle shape, getting smaller as we go down. Next, leave a small gap and draw 2 more. Let's draw the outside row of feathers now. Let's hop back to the top and we're going to curve it down like this. Now let's continue to draw feathers in the same way all the way back down. And that's it for the wings. Let's draw the rest of the body next. Let's start on the bottom right and we're going to draw the foot. Start with a curve here. And then let's draw 2 toes up like this. Next, inside each toe, let's draw curved triangles for the nails. Now from the left side, let's bend it down and back in. And then on the right, let's draw a curve down. And then the other side of the toe here. And then another curved triangle at the end for the last nail. Next, let's draw the leg with a curve on the top of the foot here. And then another curve on the left side. Next, from the right wing, let's draw a curve down towards the foot for the side of the body. And then 1 more curve from the wing down to the leg here. Next, on the bottom left, let's leave a gap from the foot and we're going to draw a curve up here like this. Let's draw the left leg and foot now. On the left side, let's draw a curve here. And then the bottom of the leg with a curve here, a little bit shorter, and then a pointed V shape. Next, let's close that gap with a curve here. Let's draw the foot now with 2 curves out towards the left. Let's draw the first toe now up like this. Then add the nail with a curved triangle, and then a curve at the bottom. And one more curve down for the other side of the toe. Now at the bottom, draw a small angle, and then we're going to draw another toe in the same way behind this one. And lastly, we're going to draw one more bent toe at the bottom here like this. And lastly, let's draw the tail. In the gap on the bottom right of the body, let's draw a zigzag line over to the right foot. Next, on the right side of the foot, let's draw 2 curves down towards the right. Then at the end, let's close it off with the point up and back down. Next, let's draw 4 more feathers in the same way, starting on the left and working our way over. And that's it for Pidgeotto. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!